Hello everyone, welcome back to our premium course. Today I will show you how to generate structural report in Tekla Structural Designer. Click on the raster, left click, right click. Click on the show member loading. This is the load on the member. Close. Right click again. Open member view. Rotate view. Or use the hold the right mouse for view to rotate. Right click again. Show screenshot. Can show screenshot to add into the report, to edit and add some picture. Right click again and show you configuration. Close. Click on the member, right click. Click on the report for member. Press Ctrl and use Ctrl mouse to zoom in. This is the default report in Tekla Structural Designer. Scroll down. This is the default design report in Tekla Structural Designer. Picture. So the member and the restraint and design summary. Design summary, classification, moment, short, deflection total. This is the summary report. Now click on the page up to change the page from the letter to the A4. Click OK. Click on show member reports. Click on the steel beam design and active. Click OK. The default report do not contain shear, bending and deflection. Now I will remove it all and add it again to show you how you can add it. This is the default steel beam design report in Tekla. Click it's OK. Scroll down. Or you can click on the next page. Yeah. Zoom in. Check. So for the critical load only. Yeah. You see here the critical load combination 1. So the report not include for other load combination. It include only for the critical load. And click on the next page to check for the moment minor axis and for the lateral torsional buckling. Next page. This is the final page. The buckling combination and the deflection. Come back. Steel member reports. Click on the steel member and click on active. You can add other section into this report. You can add loading, can add drawing. Just click it and drag drop to the location and put it in the location and drag it at the bottom. Loading, shear force, bending moments, deflection, and shaft force. For the shear force, click on the shear force, right click, left click, load filter. The default in report will show all load cases. We do not want to show all load cases. So you can click on envelope to show the envelope for only, or by selected combination. Click on the C4 again, right click, load filter, select load combination. Again, load filter, select load combination and click edit and new. Yes, this is you can click and click it all, or you can click which one load combination you want to import to the report. You can click it. Example combination 5, 6 or 7, and you can click OK. Now for the C4, I solely for the envelope. Click all envelope and bending. Right click again, load filter. Also for the load envelope, deflection, filter. Click select combination, deflection, right click, load and edit new. So select only load combination. Now if you want to show the load combination, click on it to show load combination and deflection. As for the same, right click, load filter or envelope. For the C4, right click again. The analysis, you can change the analysis setting from the first order, second order, or other different type of analysis. Click on setting, the combination for the structure type, static plus seismic or SA, static plus or SA combination, strength, cancel dimension now, and click on the OK again. Click on the next page, zoom in, next page. Yeah, this is loading, Q1 portion, next page. Yes, for the C4, for the analysis, for the envelope, we select envelope request only, envelope winner shear, next page, bending moment, strength factor, envelope, and deflection shape, first order analysis, combination factor 1.35 plus 1.5. So you can change the deflection by using the service. You can find the service load and select or add service load manually. 1 plus 1 did load plus 1 line load, etc. And you can change it to the PDS. Yes, this is the way you can generate member report in Tekla Structural Designer. I will check for the LTV at the position 0, at the position 0.4, at the position 2, yes, respectively, and to the position. For the LTV bottom, the same location. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial.